Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to enable autopay in Google Pay. So let's get into the video. So open up Google Pay, and once you've logged into your Google Pay account, click on your profile here on your top right. So when you click on your top right, you will have this autopay option. Simply click on the autopay option, and then here you will see all your autopay option, all autopay merchants that you have authorized. So to use autopay, what you have to simply do is go to your merchant app. So for example, like a Spotify or Netflix or whatever the app where you want to set up the autopay for. So open that app, and then when you make a payment, select the UPI autopay as the payment method. So select that UPI autopay, and then once you select that, then what happens is that Google Pay will automatically make the payment. So it will make the payment automatically, and for every debit it will notify you, and it will start deducting from your Google Pay account. So it auto enables in Google Pay. So all you have to do is just simply set up the merchant, select the UPI as when you do the transaction on the merchant app, and then to manage it you can simply come to this option here. So click on your profile, come to your profile here, and then here you can select the autopay merchant that you have set up. You can choose to pause or cancel it from here through the app, and that's where you manage these autopays, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.